When you create a replication flow in a file space, you can enable the Merge Data Automatically option. With this option enabled, a merge task starts as soon as the flow completes, so your data is ready to use right away, no extra steps needed. Let's see how to use the Auto Merge option in SAP Datasphere. Go to the Data Builder and select New Replication Flow. Select your source connection, the container, and the objects you want to replicate. Select the target container. Give a name to your replication flow. And select the Merge Data Automatically option. By default, it's off because it consumes substantial resources. SAP Datasphere highlights a few important points to keep in mind. If your replication flow handles a high volume of data, or your source updates frequently, consider adjusting your Apache Spark settings to avoid system overload. When the connection supports delta loads, you can also reduce costs by increasing the delta load interval, since billing is based on flow duration rather than data volume. And, finally, because the merge task is started automatically, SAP requires your authorization to run it on your behalf. If you haven't granted this authorization yet, don't worry, the system will prompt you when needed. You can now save and deploy your flow. As you can see, a warning appears to remind me to provide my consent. I can directly provide it by clicking Authorize. Once given, this authorization applies to all automated tasks in SAP Datasphere. When the replication flow is deployed, you can adjust the delta load frequency to match your requirements and reduce your costs. If you want to change the default Apache Spark settings used to run the automated merge tasks, you can do it per local table in the Data Integration Monitor. You can now run your flow, and that's it. For more information, check out help.sap.com.